Bitcoin's going up. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, crypto to the max. We have here with Rodrigo Nedo gold's chart, and we are in an all-time high. And also Bitcoin's going up too, and Bitcoin and gold seem they are aligning. So yeah, we have these boomers. Those bought Bitcoin, those bought also gold, and they are happy today dancing because everything is finally going up. The narrative is that both gold and Bitcoin is aligning first time in years. And yes, Bitcoin is finally breaking resistances that we wanted to, like this one here. Also, we are in the moving average of 100 days right now. And at this point, 87,825, we are looking straight to the $90,000. So, seems that it's going to be a crazy week. Everybody's happy because we have so many good news. Like Donald Trump saying that the rule for negotiation is if you have the gold, you make the rules. So, he's saying that he has the cards, he has the gold. That's why Bitcoin and gold are going crazy up right now. But we have more. Michael Saylor allegedly is going to buy more Bitcoin, and it seems he wants to buy $2 billion worth of Bitcoin. Of course, this would affect the market big time. Also, MetaPlanet bought another 330 Bitcoin. So everybody buying like crazy. And we're still waiting, maybe even this week, that GameStop is likely to buy around $5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Can be a crazy week for the market. Also, Michael Saylor was telling us that global money supply is exploding. And you see all these markets and how liquidity is coming to us. And maybe it's just as simple as this. Maybe we are just following this liquidity. If that's the case, Bitcoin has to go up. And you have here a map of all the transactions that right now are being just filled on the blockchain. So everybody's buying Bitcoin like crazy. That people believe that in the psychological aspect of this, we are not here in a moment where we are going to go down. We are not in anxiety, but we are in hope and at the point of disbelief where we go to optimism, belief, thrill, and excitement, hopefully so. Any case, on Inster, we have now the top for Bitcoin. Price was 84,500. This is history now of Bitcoin, and we still have more huge things to come. Like, for example, what is going to happen with Jerome Powell. Dollar is losing value as nations exit US bonds. And you can see here all this data in this chart. And yeah, this brings us to the narrative that Jerome Powell might be fired as soon as May. We told you about this in previous videos. And yeah, that would be huge. Or maybe this would stabilize the markets. We'll see about that. It's also huge that South Korea has said they won't fight the Trump tariffs. So more and more countries aligning with Donald Trump. Vietnam also launching a pilot crypto exchange. It's going to be in May. This was reported by local news. So Vietnam huge on Bitcoin, and huge on Bitcoin also is Charles Schwab. The CEO confirmed that it will launch Bitcoin and crypto spot trading. So not just in Vietnam, but also this monster is going to open its own crypto exchange. Also, allegedly, Donald Trump said that maybe this week, Russia and Ukraine is going to be it. And they're going to have a deal. It would be peace in this area. We'll see. Tensions in the world. The most important one between United States and China. And this is the only bad piece of information we have today. China threatens to retaliate against nations siding with United States on trade. So yeah, you want to be with Donald Trump? You want to be with Xi Jinping? What are you going to do? Bitcoin on the CME futures just looking good, going up, and now we face resistance in around $90,000 with previous highs. So good on this aspect and good on our agenda as we were expecting it. We are going up at this moment. So good for that too. Maybe just loading for this new bounce to the top. We were expecting this. We told you in previous videos. Watch them all. Remember to smash the like button because we always tell you what we believe it's going to happen. The golden cross was again a good thing as it happened in the past. We now just wonder how much high we can go after this cross in the technical analysis. And for your thoughts, remember that less than 1 million people own one or more Bitcoin. Do you have your whole one Bitcoin? Do you not? Well, remember that if you are in Europe, you can get one with Bitpanda. I leave the link in the description below. And this is the exchange that I would use buying crypto in Europe. I trust it. It's secure. It has so many different digital assets out there. So you can buy their gold, you can buy their Bitcoin, you can buy their ETFs, and it's very easy to do. So yeah, again, you can start in a few minutes and then you can go to coin tracking. It's your tax calculator and crypto portfolio tracker. And now it has this new website that I'm loving it. Link in the description below with a 10% discount. Consider that buying $250 of Bitcoin will be worth $29,400 when it hits $10 million. We saw this virtual new statue of Satoshi Nakamoto in Bitcoin Beach in El Salvador. So adoption close to the sea. And we are so happy to see that the bubbles are crazy in the green today with stacks and these ones, Sui, for example, as one of the winners. Chilling also, Pepe, come on, you can do it. Sonic is going to sound more and more, I believe, in the future. I missed that one, but I didn't miss Ethereum. That is going up again, and we have good information. Vitalik Buterin proposing replacing the Ethereum EVM. The shift could streamline smart contract execution and boost speeds up to 100x. This is crazy. I have to learn more about this. I'm just asking Grok, so I learned about it, and yeah, maybe this is the booster that Ethereum needed now that even the gas is really, really cheap. We are in the cheaper, maybe cheaper even than other L1s. That was something that people were saying was bad. But right now, you can do everything you want on Ethereum because it's really, really cheap. And as we get to the end of the video, a shout out to Jordi Quintana. Congratulations on your YouTube channel. You're gonna grow like crazy. If you are interested in fiscality and financial things here in Dubai, in Emirates, you have to follow him. You have the link in the description below. And he was so nice of interviewing us. And we had a blast. We talked about crypto. We talked about so many things, opportunities. Remember, they have historiaiberico.com. This is the one I choose to come to Dubai. So you're going to find a link in the description below if you want to do as I did in the past. And this is the interview. I really like it. So yeah, if you want to learn a little bit about my experience here in Dubai, about so many aspects of life here, I would encourage you to watch the interview. You have the link in the description below. And now we say goodbye to the video. We try to escape from the rat race like these cats are doing with our learning and our investments. And of course, we learn about AI with our channel, Rodrigo Arnedo, Inteligencia Artificial, and we learn about Bitcoin, crypto, and much more here on Rodrigo Arnedo, Noticias Bitcoin, Crypto News, Health, Money, Love, Power in Peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon! Remember to watch the interview of Historia Iberico, Jordi Quintana. Do not miss that one. It's going to be amazing. You have the link in the description below. To the moon!